Billy and Julie in the morning. Just so there's no confusion.
I feel I
So familiar.
I say you look really familiar to me too.
We've met
She's been
before.
on television.
Okay.
Blah, 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 blah.
Never. Billy Greenwood.
Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Look at this.
What did you bring us?
So I'm here today because Heroes Care is working with the Department of Defense and the Employer Support for the Guard and Reserve.
Oh yeah.
And we are putting on a mega hiring event. It is all about helping all of our folks, whether they're in the National Guard and Reserve or they're transitioning out of the military,
Sure.
or if they are a veteran, or if they're a spouse of any of those folks, get meaningful employment. And it's more beyond, this is so beyond just your traditional job fair. They get to come in the morning, and even if they came in like tennis shoes and blue jeans,
Sure.
we are going to help them move from that. And they can have no idea what they want to do, but we have coaches and people who can help them move from that all the way into a suit with a resume, with a mock interview. We'll get them on LinkedIn, and we're getting them all prepared. And then we have 100 volunteer employers who are going to do mock interviews with them. And then we have a free networking luncheon. It's like a barbecue that's going on outside. And then we're going to do the more traditional job fair meet and greet, but we have over 500 jobs available for them in
Wow.
the afternoon. So,
Oh,
When
this
is
is
all of
awesome.
this happening?
so it's happening.
Sorry, she's not really camera ready.
It's happening on Wednesday.
I look much better.
There you go. When?
Wednesday morning from 8 a.m. and it'll go till 4 p.m. The actual hiring event part is going on in the morning where the preparation is. And that will start really right at 8 because we know there'll be a long line for those wonderful suits that we're giving away, as well as the preparation classes and programs and workshops. And then the hiring fair itself goes from 1 until 4 p.m.
Okay.
And by the way, we're gonna have a link. All the information is right below this video. So just go there and we'll have everything you need.
Awesome. Well,
Right?
we are so excited because we're very passionate about helping everybody move into a job that they not only love but that they can grow with and that they can have a whole career with. And we know that there's a lot of people out there who are working 2 or 3 jobs just to make ends meet. So not just for the unemployed but people who are underemployed. We want to help all of them, and this is helping us get this word out is all we can ask of you. So we're really grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.